Procreate Worksheets for Kufic Muraba. As you can see, I've already opened the Procreate Worksheets for Kufic Muraba, ready to demonstrate how to use them and practice. I still use these regularly to improve my own lettering. Let's show you around. Here are the lessons in this worksheet. Multiple alif and bars. Jeem forms. More jeems and ra and dal. More dal form. Connected ra and scenes. More scene forms. Sads. Ta and ains. More ain forms. Fa and qaf. Kaf forms. Lam and mim. More mim and noon forms. Waw and ha. More ha forms and lam alif. Ya forms. And the entire alphabet in two parts. As you must have realized, this is a complete worksheet. It has letters in individual, initial, medial and final form. Practicing with this will help you create full words and sentences. Here's some practice I did earlier. To practice, you can use any of our Kufic Muraba brushes. We have a wide variety to fulfill all your artistic needs. Just looking for the multi-line brush set. Let's use brush 1. Here I'm writing an alif. As you can see, I use this worksheet a lot to practice words using different brushes. Here I have written my name. You can use this worksheet to your advantage as Kufic Muraba has become very popular with modern day Arabic calligraphy. This is definitely a must-have in one's possession. Please like this video if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check out the other videos I have on this channel. I'm sure they'll bring you some value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.